Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to fix this error message if you type PowerShell, and if you're getting this error message PowerShell is not recognized as an internal or external command. Then in this video I will show you how to fix this. So by default PowerShell is located in the C directory. Just go to the C directory and just search for the folder which is Windows. So this is actually the Windows folder. Go to this folder, and inside this folder you will find a folder called as system32. So just go to this folder, and right here you will find out a folder called as Windows PowerShell. So this is your folder. Open this folder, and this is your PowerShell right here. If you try to open, you will see that. So now we need to make sure, if I open the terminal right here, type the same command PowerShell, you will see now we are entered into the PowerShell. So for doing this automatically globally, you just need to right click, copy this entire location, add this into in your environment variable, go to the system variable, system path variable, and just paste this entire path. So after making this change right here, just you need to restart the terminal and again type the same command PowerShell. So you will see the command will perfectly work right here. So in this easy way you can fix this error message. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.